Congratulations! Miss May Marjorie M. Marangalan, Advisor, Grade 12, STEM 5, reads the names of the graduates.
Kami na.
Ganitobas Academic.
Hi guys, Dancel here and welcome back to a brand new DG Vlogs video. For those who are new to the channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Dan, nice to meet you. And as you can see on my face, I'm really excited because tomorrow, as you can see on the thumbnail and as you read the title, because tomorrow is our graduation day. Yes, you heard it right. Yet again, it's my graduation day. Tomorrow is our graduation day. I'm finally graduating senior high school. I still remember the day that I graduated junior high school back when I was in 10th grade. So today, I'm gonna be graduating senior high school. So basically, the next school year, I'm gonna be in first year college now. So yeah. So, this is a reminder that tomorrow, I think I'm gonna be speaking in my original language, which is Filipino languages. So, don't forget to turn on captions or subtitles rather so you can understand what I'm saying, because tomorrow I'm gonna be speaking in Tagalog, Filipino languages rather. So yeah. So, I'm really excited for tomorrow because yes, it's our graduation day tomorrow and I'm really excited. And this is a new chapter that I'm gonna be stepping into life. So yeah, bad grammar, I know. Still working on my English very well. So yeah, I'm really excited for tomorrow because I'm graduating high school. So yeah. So basically, next school year I'm gonna be a first year college student. So yeah. So before we proceed to the transition for tomorrow, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on my notification bell if you haven't already so you cannot miss any of my videos when I upload any video on my channel, or you can get notified when I uploaded a new video on my channel. So yeah. So I think that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else to say. I will really gonna miss these guys. Who am I talking about? The grade 12 5. The grade 12 STEM 5. I'm really gonna miss these guys. They made my school year memorable and I'm gonna miss these guys. So yeah. So that's basically it. So yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Basically the graduation day. So yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys. Okay, it's me again. So I forgot to remind you guys. So I'm gonna speak in Tagalog now to explain to you guys. Alright? So 3, 2, 1. Okay. So how the graduation works. Parang nung grade 10 lang ako. Kung paano nangyari. So, unang-una, processional. Tapos, after ng processional, mag-start na yung mass. So, may mass muna. May misa. Bago yung mismong graduation namin. So, after ng misa, may 10 minutes break daw kami. So, yun. After nun, mismong graduation na. Sa commencement exercise. So, magmimisa muna kami, Eucharist celebration, tapos after nun, 10-minute break, tapos after nun, okay, so after nun, mismong graduation na namin. So yun. So bukas ang sobrang init talaga kasi 12 PM daw ang simula ng processional. So ang call time namin ay 11:30 AM. So yun. So I'm really excited na talaga ako para bukas. So yun. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. excited na ako.
The next day.
Alright guys, it's the next day at kitang-kita nyo naman, nakatoga na agad ako, hindi pa kami nakakaalis ng bahay. Masyado akong excited. So inahintay na lang namin si mama at si mama at si ate. Nag-aayos pa si ate ng makeup, tapos si mama nag-aayos pa ng gamit. At ako nakahanda na, nakatoga na agad, masyadong excited. Yun, paalis na rin kami maya-maya. Hinihintay ko na lang silang dalawa. Yun. Woo! Excited daw ako. Pupunta na kami maya-maya ng Lucena Convention Center at magkita-kita tayo dun. Right guys, dito na kami. Convention na kami. Lucena Convention Center. Ang laki. Uy! Ang laki dito. Tingnan nyo guys. Ang laki ng lugar.
Which have prepared us for the future. Each lesson, task,
Mass has been offered. Go and bring the Eucharist into your lives.
Thanks be to God.
Thank you.
We have been searching, yearning to find you, lost without your love. In hope, you sustain us. In light, you save us. In love, you bind us. Lord, bring us back to you. We turn to your grace, resting in your peace, sheltered from despair. We come to your heart, trusting in your will, strengthened by your words. 'Cause in faith you restore us. So, hi guys. So, tapos na ang misa namin. It's currently our 10-minute break na. Naghahanda na sila para sa mismong graduation. So, yun. 10-minute break. After ng 10-minute break, simula na ng mismong graduation. So, tapos na ang misa. Basta, 10-minute break na namin. So, yun. I'll see you guys kapag nagsimula na yung graduation.
Highlight of the year.
Dan picture mo kami dan sir. Si Jumelo. Picture mo kami. Picture kayo dan sir.
Yun na.
Yung ganyan tape lang. Na. Ganda. Front cam na lang.
Front cam.
Ganda. Di ba, isa pa? Hoy, kami tatlo. Der Dali ganito. Ay, dalawa lang, pre. Ah, dalawa lang ba? Dalawa. Okay. Ito pila. Ako na picturean mo ako. Yan na, vlog na. Hello vlog. Hello vlog. Nasa YouTube na ako. Mama, shoutout sa mama ko. Nasa YouTube na ako, ma.
Shoutout sa inyo. Kaya nagpalaki sa akin. God bless.
Ito na tawag mo. The real ninjas.
Yung si Mayra.
Shoutout vlog.
Edit ko yan.
Shoutout kay Jamela sa likod. Masikat na ako. Nasa vlog na ako ni Dancel. 100 million
Hey, guys, oh.
Postura.
Start na ba?
Ito sa mga
Maya pa.
Tapon mo nga. Agis mo. Agis mo nga pa taas.
Meron. Thank you.
Guys, tayo na kay Dancel. Kaya mag-vlog.
Department of Education. Our dear Sister President, may I respectfully request that they be confirmed as graduates.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as President of Sacred Heart College of the Seventh City Incorporated, I hereby confirm and accept the graduates with all their rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Graduates, passes to the right.
Graduate na tayo, pre. Uy! Graduate na tayo, pre.
Hoy, magiging engineer ako vlog ha. Ba't magiging engineer ako ha?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered today to celebrate a truly momentous occasion. The culmination. They have shown their support for the school by participating in activities and events. And they have been faithful to the school's policies and regulations. They have also been loyal to the school and its community. And they have made a positive contribution to the school's culture. The parents of the awardees are requested to come to the front. As Mr. William R. Masanta, advisor of Grade 12 ABN 1, reads the names of the graduates.
Bakit? Hindi ah.
Sarili ko.
Congratulations, Miss May Marjorie M. Marangalan, advisor, Grade 12 STEM 5, reads the names of the graduates.
Kami na.
Diplomas, academic, volleyball club, active member.
Sama naman ako sa vlog mo.
Bakuna, John Carlo Capistano, with honors, Science Investigatory Club, active member. Magno Sen Irving Nava, with honors, Science Investigatory Club,
Lamle.
active member. Noble Janwir Lorente, with highest honors, Science Investigatory Club, active member. Luisas, active member. Esports Club, active member. Oreste Lance National Award, with honors. Roberes James Braden Delgado, with high honors. Excellence in sports, silver medal. Most active profile of the Science City Council. Mathematics Club, active member. Vincential Whisper Social Power, most active member. Boy Scouts of the Philippines, most active member. Sagales Lester Redaco, with honors. Versosa Andreshkin Sarmiento, with high honors, Mathematics Club active member, Association of Children of American Magazine active member, Esports Club active member. Aguilar Anna Manapur, with high honors,
Paano ba to?
Distinction Award
Oh.
Science Investigatory Club active member.
Ikaw na mo.
Luisa active member.
Ay, paano ba? Ay, hindi nga kita.
Alcantara Miguel Samantha Hosbienzo.
Huwag ka na muna
With high honors. Mathematics Club active member. Student Catholic Action of the Philippines active member. Performing Arts Club active member. Agosia Janela Marie Academy. With honors. Science Investigatory Club active member. Student Catholic Action of the Philippines active member. Visual and Graphical Arts Club active member. Perfect Attendance Award. Castillo Moira Marie Tadashi. With honor.
Every day that you spend an extra minute to help others.
Tapos mo sa ng camera, may
Every day
message
that
ako.
you listen.
Message kami ni
Make them feel like they belong.
Venus.
Congratulations, batch 2025 to 2026. This is where it begins.
May tumulo yung luha ko.
a very college kid, as Tristan Andre R. Boyko.
Officially graduated senior high school. Oh, jeez. Guys, sinoble nga pala. With highest honors. Bye guys. Congrats, Noble. Mama, ito. Mama, yan ah. Advisor ko nga pala, guys. Ma'am, tayo naman. Dito. Ay, mali pa naman ulit.
Hey, welcome to the vlog.
Oh, panis. Ma'am. Okay guys, tapos na graduation. Kakain na kami.
Talaga lang.
Hey. Pawisan buko. Ang haba na nitong vlog na to. Kung nakaabot kayo ng ganito kalayo, hit that like button and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. Ma'am Mel, no? Saan tayo kakain? Saan tayo kakain? Oh. Saan? Oo nga pala, nalimutan ko. Saan tayo kakain?
Diyan na lang.
Saan nga? McDo na lang.
Eh, ako.
Eh di, KFC nga.
KFC na.
Okay, KFC. Kakain na kami sa KFC. Hi guys, kakain na kami. Okay. Hi guys, so we just got home and so yeah, that was pretty fun. I enjoyed. So yeah, I finally graduated senior high school. So next year I'm gonna be first year college now. All right. It's gonna take me 4 years to graduate again. Alright. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you made it this far in the vlog, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on my notification bell if you haven't already, so you cannot miss any of my videos when I upload any video on my channel, or you can get notified when I uploaded a new video on my channel. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog now because I need to edit it a lot. So yeah, but before I end the vlog, in the next slide or transition, I'm just, before this vlog ends, let's rewind some of our pictures we took this school year. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some pictures of us, the grade 12 STEM 5. So yeah, grade 12 STEM 5. I'm gonna be showing you some pictures that we took. So yeah, before this vlog ends, I'm gonna be showing you guys some pictures that we took this school year. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So peace, bye, and gamer on. DG Squad, roll the pictures.